Good day guys, welcome. In this video we're talking about how to edit Brevo email marketing templates. So our templates are our basically campaigns in Brevo. So in order to access them, you go to marketing and campaigns. After this you choose a campaign you want to edit, or you can also create a new one. So let us create one. So if we want to create an email marketing template, we need to choose email right over here. Now name it, create campaign, and in here you can edit it. You can manage the sender, add recipients, people who will receive your campaign, add a subject for the campaign, and your email content. So designing is just pretty much the interface of your campaign. Also we have additional settings which you can browse right over here, but you should of course start from the top and to the bottom. So for example, manage sender, you add name in here, etc. Recipients, add them right over here. Also we have the tab to exclude certain people, for example. Subject, you can add it, and preview text, and also as you can see this is what it will look like on the phone. And designing is pretty much just like I said. If I go back, for example, to my campaigns, and I have this test over here, and I have my design as so, you can then edit your design at the very end. So that's pretty much how you edit your email marketing template, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you soon.